Hey there, fellow gardeners. Have you ever heard of black gold for your garden? I'm talking about worm castings and worm tea, two of the best-kept secrets to healthier soil, stronger plants, and a more productive garden. Today we're diving into what they are, why they work, and how you can use them in your own garden. Let's get started. So, what exactly are worm castings? Well, they're simply worm poop. But don't let that gross you out. These tiny granules are packed with essential nutrients, beneficial microbes, and organic matter that plants absolutely love. They improve soil structure, aeration, and water retention, all while feeding your plants slowly and naturally. Worm castings contain nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and a ton of beneficial microorganisms. Unlike synthetic fertilizers, they release nutrients gradually, reducing the risk of over-fertilization. Now let's talk about worm tea. Unlike the liquid that collects at the bottom of a worm bin, true worm tea is brewed by steeping worm castings in aerated, dechlorinated water, sometimes with a bit of molasses to feed the microbes. The result? A powerful liquid fertilizer and natural pest deterrent. One of the coolest things about worm tea is that it boosts a plant's immune system. The beneficial microbes coat plant leaves, helping them fight off diseases like mildew and blight. Plus, when applied to the soil, worm tea supercharges microbial activity, making nutrients more available to plants. Don't just take my word for it, check out the difference worm castings can make. Plants treated with worm castings and tea grow faster, stronger, and produce more fruits and flowers. Alright, let's talk about how to use them. For best results, soil amendment, mix 3 inches of worm castings into your garden beds or potting soil. Planting holes, add a handful when transplanting seedlings or trees. Top dressing, sprinkle a layer around the base of established plants for a slow nutrient release. To make worm tea, follow these steps. Fill a bucket with dechlorinated water. Add a porous bag filled with worm castings. Aerate with a pump for 24 hours, adding a tablespoon of molasses if desired. Use immediately as a foliar spray or soil drench. Apply worm tea every couple of weeks during the growing season. Your plants will thank you. So there you have it. Worm castings and worm tea are game changers for any gardener. They enrich the soil, strengthen plant immunity, and lead to healthier, more productive gardens. Give them a try and let me know your results in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.